The case in question is Texas v. Johnson. At the 1984 Republican National Convention in Dallas, Texas, as Ronald Reagan was being chosen as the official nominee of the Republican Party for his re-election, a man named Gregory Lee Johnson set a flag on fire outside the convention hall. It was the culmination of a demonstration that included marching through the streets of Dallas, staging die-ins to protest nuclear war, and small acts of vandalism that Johnson did not participate in. The burning of the flag was meant to protest the presidency of Ronald Reagan and the international wars and aggression instigated by the United States. According to the Supreme Court opinion, quote, no one was physically injured or threatened with injury, though several witnesses testified that they had been seriously offended by the flag burning. The court goes on to say, quote, of the approximately 100 demonstrators, Johnson alone was charged with the crime. The only criminal offense with which he was charged was the desecration of a venerated object in violation of the Texas Penal Code. After a trial, he was convicted, sentenced to 1 year in prison, and fined $2,000. He appealed his conviction on the grounds that it violated his First Amendment right to free expression, and he won his appeal. The appellate court stated, quote, recognizing that the right to differ is the centerpiece of our First Amendment freedoms, a government cannot mandate by fiat a feeling of unity in its citizens. Therefore, that very same government cannot carve out a symbol of unity and prescribe a set of approved messages to be associated with that symbol when it cannot mandate the status or feeling the symbol purports to represent. It went on to find, quote, serious offense occurred, but there was no breach of peace, nor does the record reflect that the situation was potentially explosive. One cannot equate serious offense with incitement to breach the peace. Texas already had a statute that criminalized breaching the peace. This additional flag burning statute was specifically aimed at the desecration of the flag, separate from any breach of any peace, okay? So that's what happened in the lower court before it got to the Supreme Court.